What's up guys, so today's video obviously is gonna be like a oh my god, I'm late to work and I gotta look decent. Usually I do this look if I have more than 10 minutes to get ready. If I have less than 10 minutes, I'll skip foundation. My skin is actually pretty good right now. Well, not that good, like I have a little breakouts right here, but other than that, like it's been really good, so I'll just skip foundation. But if your skin's like not that good and you want to use foundation, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I do. The first thing that I do is moisturize my skin. Like, I don't even care if I'll put foundation or not. Like, I'm still going to moisturize my face. I'm using the Kate Somerville one. This one's like a glow moisturizer. Honestly, this makeup doesn't take me long. It could be like 10 minutes or less, but yeah, like this is like if you're legit running late or you're just lazy to get ready, this is what I do. But I always moisturize my skin just because, you know, I like to moisturize my skin. So then I'll go ahead and fill my brows. My brows are microbladed, so I guess I kind of cheat right there. So I'll go ahead and use this Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer by Maybelline. They are microbladed, but I don't know, I like more color to them, I guess. So I'll go ahead and just grab this little wand and just kind of fill in my brows. If you had good brows, like just use gel. You don't have to like go in there and fill them. Like just use a brow gel because they kind of fill them in for you like more naturally. And I don't know if I said this. This is Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volume. Mine's in the color Deep Brown. And then that's pretty much it for my brows. Then I'll go ahead and jump into primer. So I did the moisturizer first and the brows and then primer because I do want the moisturizer to like get absorbed, you know. So for the primer, I'm going to use my Pixie one. I don't really use a lot of primer. Like this is all the primer I use for my entire face. I feel like sometimes people apply too much primer, so I'll go ahead and apply this on like my T area, my T-zone area right here, and whatever's left I just bring it around. So for foundation, I usually use my Wet n Wild one, but I ran out and I actually want to grab a new one. So I did grab the real one, number 207 Sand Beige, but I feel like it's a little bit too light for me right now. But I'm still going to use it, whatever. It's a dewy foundation. I don't know, I feel like I'm able to handle it now. Like I said, if you don't have time for foundation, don't do it. But I'm going to go ahead and do it because I got a little time today. Like I'm actually on my way to work and it's 2:30, so I go in at 3:30, which I have time, you know, to get ready in a way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I use a beauty blender. If you have a beauty blender, go for it. I feel like it's a little bit faster, but the fact that I have to get up and, you know, go get it wet, I feel like I don't got time for that. So I'll go ahead and use a brush. And this brush is the Small Contouring by Luxie. It's the 512. But yeah. So you guys know how I said if I wouldn't apply foundation, I would just use concealer. The concealer that I use, it's the Wet n Wild. So let's say I didn't put foundation or you have good skin, you don't even have to put foundation. I just do it because I don't know. So then I grab my Wet n Wild concealer. It's one of my favorite concealers, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this right here. And like if I'm not wearing foundation, I do this. This is where I apply the concealer as well. And then I'll apply some here. I tend to avoid my nose area because I get allergies in the mornings. So like my nose is runny, my eyes are runny. So usually I open at work. So I go ahead and try to avoid putting like foundation around my nose just because, like I said, I get runny. So like I'll go ahead and clean it and like toda la foundation se me va, you know. So then I'll go ahead and, you guys can't really see on the camera. I hate this camera because it smooths out my skin, but I don't have like flawless skin. So I'll go ahead and like, I have a little blemish right here. So I'll just put it right there, and then like I have some right here, and that's basically it. Then I'll go ahead and grab back that brush that I used and just kind of buff everything in there. And then I usually bake my face, but honestly I ran out of my airspun. Like, I'm legit out. So whatever I have left with that brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and like set the under eye area right here. My forehead, and then after that I'll go ahead and use a bronzer. I don't know if you guys could hear the noise, but the trash people are here. So for bronzer, I use my regular bronzer. I'm actually in the hunt for a new bronzer. I like warm tone bronzer, so if you guys know of any, let your girl know. So yeah, I'm just gonna bronze up my skin real fast. This is like a step, and like if I'm not wearing foundation, I'll still do the steps just because it makes you look put together, you know. I'll probably do like a no foundation makeup look soon. Hopefully I could show you guys what I'm talking about, because I did apply foundation, but I could have skipped it today. But you know, I hate when like customers come to me like, can I speak to your manager, and I'm there looking like not put together. So then this is where I go hard. Like, I feel like this puts my look together. I'll go into my highlight, and I'm obsessed with the highlight Fuego by the Dose of Colors and the HIII collection. I'll just go ahead and smile and pop this into my cheekbone area right here, my nose, my chin, a little bit on the forehead. Alright, so then I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara. For mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Carbon Black mascara. This is like my favorite mascara ever. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this real quick. I'm not even kidding. Sometimes this part I'll do it in the car if I'm like that late, you know. So then for lips, I'll either just apply chapstick like this and legit just head out of the door, because I don't got time in the mornings. This is like my go-to work look. Like if I'm running late, like if I wake up at 7 and I have to be there at 7:45, this is what I do, okay? And that does happen to me. Like I'll wake up at 7 and then I have to be at work at 7:45. It's traffic time, so I just like run out the door, and like I'll be doing this in the car sometimes, like in the traffic area, you know. But other than that, if I have a little bit more time for my lips, at least I'll go ahead and use a bold color, or I would apply it during my break at work, for, you know, people could think I look better. Not better, but like in the morning it's pretty slow, so I feel like after break, that's when all our guests come in. So I use lipstick. I'll either do like a nude, a bright ass color, and this one's L'Oreal matte. This one's the L'Oreal Infallible Paints in matte, and this is in the color Festival, which is a really nice nude. And then I have this awesome color. This one's Heroine by Maybelline. This is a bright ass color, but I love it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the bright color, because I haven't done a bright color in a while. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me wear this lipstick before, because I really like it. So then that's basically all the makeup look. See how I look a little bit put together, but honestly it takes less than 10 minutes to do this. It obviously took me a little bit longer because I'm talking, but if I know like I gotta get out the door like ASAP, like this is what I'll do. And like I said, like you could apply the lipstick like on your way to work, or like after your break, after you have your breakfast, your coffee, you decide the color. Or if you just want to use chapstick, you guys go ahead and do that. The one that I like is Carmex, because it's just like very glossy. It's kind of like a lip gloss, but not really. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It's super simple, super easy, but it was requested, so I decided to film it because, you know, I got you guys. But yeah, I don't apply false lashes. Like I said, if I have more time, like I'll add little things here and there, but this is basically like I have no time and I need to get out of the door. And I know I cheated with the brows, but that's why you guys should get your eyebrows microbladed, because it's an extra step you don't have to do. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on my next video.